Hey you guys, welcome to today's video and join me as I make an English chocolate cake today. So my younger brother was craving chocolate cake and I had to make some. I started off with adding some sugar, refined oil and curd to a bowl and mixing them all together. I then added all-purpose flour or maida to the bowl and mix them together अच्छे से. Just in case you don't have curd available at home, you can also use vinegar and milk. You just have to add some vinegar to the milk and keep them aside for like 10 to 15 minutes, and if not vinegar then you can also add lemon juice to the mix. Keeping aside for 10 to 15 minutes, you can then use that mixture into the batter. I then added some cocoa powder and gave it a thorough mix. Went ahead with adding baking soda, baking powder and vanilla essence to the batter. Now this is the consistency that's required to make this cake, this smooth runny consistency, not too thin, not too thick, somewhere in the middle. And as you can see, the batter has turned out to be very fluffy and soft, exactly how we need to make this cake. Now I'm taking a cake tin and adding some oil to it for greasing. You can even use ghee if you don't want to go ahead with oil. And I also did not use any baking paper or parchment paper at the bottom, but like that's completely optional, you can also go ahead with that. Then I added the batter to the tin, gave it a tap अच्छे से to remove the bubbles, and I baked it in the microwave on convection mode at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. So the cake is finally ready and बहुत ही smoothly ये tin में से बाहर भी आ गया था, as you can see. And the cake has really turned out to be very soft, fluffy and shiny. It is already looking so delicious and yummy, you guys, but I just decided to go ahead with adding some Nutella on top of it. Sadly this video is not sponsored by Nutella, but anyways, this cake has turned out to be really delicious and yummy. So definitely you guys give this a try, and if you're somewhere new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe for more yapping videos that are going to be coming ahead. Thank you for joining.